copied all 492 of my self-portraits. And they're better than mine. He even got the rug right. Get it on yourself, Squiddy Bean. This doesn't mean anything. All of this is just mimicry. He doesn't possess your style, or your decorating acumen, or your love of the finer things. In fact, the only thing he has is my vacuum cleaner. And I'll remedy that. Post haste. Aha! Put you in here along with all his bad taste. You're coming home. Home with me. Is it really you? It is you. Go on, baby. You and I will walk out of this horror show the way we walked into it, with dignity and applause. My house.
You just missed the fire.
What happened to my house?
Oh, some knucklehead left a casserole in the oven.
Aw, don't worry, Squidward. You're more than welcome to stay at my house until you get your house fixed.
Yes, I love another spout of tea, Mr. Vacuum Cleaner. Care for some casserole?
Squidward? You okay?